Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this electric lighter. Now, yeah, it's an electric lighter, so I bought it because quite frankly, we're men, aren't we? Men like gadgets. So yeah, I've been looking at this, and yeah, it's an electric lighter. So as we can see, it's LCFUN. Got to admit, the way these brandings are going these days are crazy. It's almost as if people are just, randomly selecting letters for branding. But yeah, as we can see, it's a lighter, classic, fashionable, and it is electric. So it comes in a box like this. Let's unbox it. There we go. It's the Explorer model. So let's just take it out of its fancy little box. Bear with me, guys. I'm multitasking here from behind the camera. So let me just pull it out. Here we go. So yeah, first impression is that's pretty cool. That looks sexy, doesn't it? That's yeah, I like that. I like the look of that, guys. And let's just see. Open it up. How does it open? Push. Okay, yeah, there we go. We push it open. And there we go, guys. There's the electric lighter right there. So if we press in, you can see it arcing. Guys, that is pretty cool. So what else do we get with this lighter? Let's have a look. So, there we go. So we get the little lanyard, so we can have it around the neck or something like that. And also we get the charging cable. So we get the lighter, lanyard, and the charging cable. The box, of course, I'm going to be putting it in the bin because that is no longer needed now. But we also get some instructions, which we don't really need, do we? So we can see it's 3.7 volts, charge time 1.5 hours. And yeah, let's put it back down. So let's have a look at the benefits why you'd want to buy one of these electric lighters. Well, the thing is, it's because they're waterproof. Now, I do like that. I do like this push button in order to open the top of it. It's like a little lock. But let's just press this again. Yeah, look at the way that's arcing, guys. That is pretty good. So, guys, what I'm going to do, I'll do a full review about this in the future. I'm going to test out, its life, durability. With the lock, does it, you see that, that's pretty cool. But yeah, so we'll do a full review on this in due course. And we'll test to see if it really is an awesome bit of kit. But so far, as you can see, it's looking pretty cool. And that's the Explorer electric lighter. Right, guys, catch you all in the next video.